In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve time-off requests in QuickBooks Time using the desktop interface. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to finalize decisions with confidence. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Time on your desktop or laptop. Using the desktop interface keeps everything laid out clearly and is ideal when you're reviewing multiple requests or adding notes. Make sure you're logged in with a role that has permission to approve time off. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, check with your administrator to confirm your access. Once you're in, look to the left navigation and click Approvals. This is the central hub for items that need your sign-off. Inside Approvals, locate the Time Off Requests section. You'll see a list of requests that team members have submitted, typically showing the employee name, the dates requested, and the type of time off, such as vacation, sick time, or personal leave. Open and review each submitted request. Take a moment to check the dates, confirm they align with your company's policies, and consider any overlapping schedules or staffing needs. If your organization has a blackout period or peak times when time off is limited, this is a good place to verify those details. You can also compare the request against available balances if that information is visible in your setup. When you're ready to make a decision, click Approve to accept the request or deny to decline it. If you choose to deny, it's helpful to be specific about the reason so the employee understands what to adjust. Even if you approve, a short note can provide helpful context, such as confirming coverage or acknowledging a schedule change. Add a note if necessary to explain your decision. Keep notes professional and concise. Remember, notes may be visible to the employee, so use them to clarify your reasoning or outline next steps, like resubmitting different dates. Finally, click Save to finalize the approval or denial. Saving locks in your decision and updates the request status. Depending on your company's notification settings, the employee may receive an alert right away, so take a quick moment to ensure everything looks accurate before you confirm. If you're working through several requests, repeat the same review, decision, note, and save process for each one to keep your approvals consistent and organized. That's it. Log in, go to Approvals, find time off requests, review, approve or deny, add a note if needed, and save. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.